This is Igbo Area
We're still looking at events and several things that happened during and around the Biafra Day celebration, which took place May 30th, 2019. It was a successful one. In Nigeria here, a lot of people stayed at home as directed by IPOB. But for Biafrans in diaspora, I think they converged at certain places as agreed. And it was a nice day. The heroes were properly honored. We want to commend all who made it possible for this to happen. We want to commend everyone. There is a way you made it possible. It could be through your media, through some voice note on a WhatsApp, sharing messages of the need to remember such day. A lot of people, honored these heroes in one way or the other. I passed by the newspaper stand in the morning. That was on the 31st of May 2019, and I realized a lot of Nigerian dailies did not report about it. Only a few reported about the incident, the Biafra Day celebration. And what will amaze you is that among these dailies are also Igbo-owned media. It's so sad. Doesn't mean those Igbos who refused to honor this day had nothing to do with the deaths. Doesn't mean these people died for nothing. Even our senators, our House of Reps members, did not even give a 1-minute silence to remember these people. That is to say, our representatives in the House don't give a damn. Look at June 12th. Yorubas are celebrating June 12th, and it has become a public holiday for Nigerians. And even greater than June 12th is this. So who are these senators representing? What are they going to the House to do? I think this is something they should have mentioned in the House. If you honor June 12th and honor several other days, why won't you honor Biafra Day? It is supposed to be a public holiday for Nigeria if Nigeria knows how to do things right. And instead of being a public holiday that it should be, the security agents are sent out to hound, to maim, to destroy those who are observing this day. Why? Why, Nigeria? Why? Does it mean Nigerian government want us to just forget about this day and forget about what happened? No wonder you don't see these things in our history books. There is need for record. There is need for record. Our children need to know what happened, and it will teach them some lessons. Still on the Biafra Day celebration and things that happened that day and around that day. The JTF said, that's JTF in Anambra, we recovered 555 Biafran flags, car carrying Biafran insignia in Anambra. About 555 Biafran flags and other insignia, including belts, caps, shirts, books, flyers, stickers, and a car were recovered from members of the Biafran Independent Movement, BIM, and the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, in Onitsha, the commercial city of Anambra State, during the clampdown by the Joint Task Force, JTF. The JTF comprises of the police, military, Civil Defense Corps, and the Federal Road Safety Corps. The Onitsha Police Area Commander, Mr. John Obubaka, disclosed to newsmen on Sunday that while reacting to speculation in some quarters that the police in Onitsha beat, extorted, and forced residents into their waiting vans in the name of clamping down on Biafra and agitators before, during, and after the celebration day. While denying the allegation, the area commander added that the flags recovered excluded torn and worn-out flags that were not counted. According to him, only members of IPOB were arrested during the clampdown. He said it was on course of pulling down the flags hosted on electric poles along Obodoku Road and other strategic positions in city by what they term the proscribed groups, that the JTF saw a blue car owned by one Michael Ezobunna parked along Obodoku Road loaded with massive flags and other insignia. They said they opened the car where the insignia were recovered. On the allegation that there is sum of 648,040 naira left in the car by the owner, Ezobunna, was among the items removed by the JTF led by himself. The area commander said that no such money was removed and described the allegation as baseless and unfounded, adding that whatever was recovered from the car were recorded in the presence of all security operatives that made up the JTF. He advised Ezobunna, a well-accom activist, to come forward to the police to clear himself, pointing out that he has the freedom to express and defend himself. You know this, they said Ezobunna accused the JTF of forcefully breaking his car and removing massive insignia in the car without his consent. He also admitted he's a member of BIM Masop, not even IPOB. And he asked them to return his car where it was parked around his workshop in Obodoku. The BIM spokesman, Mr. Chris Mosha, also made comment on that. He said the police, that the JTF, the Joint Task Force, also beat up innocent people and forced them to climb up electric poles and pull down Biafran flag hosted by the groups on pole. And he said that the treatment were inhuman and unethical. The sit-at-home Biafra Day was successful in 100 countries, according to IPOB Emma Powerful, Media and Publicity Secretary for the IPOB. The statement reads, "We, the global family of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, congratulate all Biafrans and lovers of freedom all over the Biafra land and various parts of southern Nigeria who contributed towards the successful outcome of our Heroes Remembrance Day by sitting at home. So we salute the courage, determination, and resoluteness of all Biafrans who defied the military, police threats, including intimidation and harassment from cabals in Asurok and southeast governors to sit at home. We praise the people of Ogoni, Ijo, Yoruba, Anang, Igbo, Idoma, Igede, Igala, Ibanke, Ibakri, and all those who observed and remembered those who sacrificed their lives for us to be alive today." So from Ogoja in the east to the border town of Ibanke in the west, from Otukpo in the north to the island of Boni in the south, Biafrans observed in their own unique way a day of reverence and respect for our departed heroes and heroines. We also salute the indefatigable spirit of IPOB family members in diaspora who rallied in over 100 countries across Europe, Asia, America, Australia, South America, and Africa. Picture and video evidences abound to lend credence to the fact that Biafra people obeyed IPOB's sit-at-home order on May 30th. As you can see, we did a show the other time, the one before this, and not just the sit-at-home, the Remembrance Day was properly observed. Igbo Airport, Anglican Bishop commends Senate action. Bishop of the Anglican Diocese of Ebu, Reverend Geoffrey Okorafor, has commended the upper legislative chamber for the decision it took over plans by federal government to downgrade the Akano Ibiam International Airport, Enugu. The Senate has urged the Ministry of Aviation to rehabilitate the Akano Ibiam Airport, Enugu, rather than threatening to downgrade it. Bishop Okorafor, who made the commendation during a Eucharistic service of confirmation, admission, and induction for Emi Parish at Emmanuel Church, Emi in Owerri, not local government, Imo State, commended the action of the Senate, maintaining that downgrading the Enugu International Airport to a local airport would have amounted to further humiliation of the Igbo. He pointed out that the Enugu International Airport was not serving only the Igbo nation, but the generality of Nigerians. The bishop called on the federal government to rehabilitate, upgrade the facilities at the airport, while urging the federal government to give it needed facelift, the same way it had done at the Aminu Kano Airport, Kano, and Murtala Mohammed International Airport, Lagos, for the safety of the passengers and aircrafts in conformity with international aviation standards. The cleric noted that the reported state of the airport was a time bomb, stressing that it could be anybody's lot. Well, will you attend World Council of Churches meeting? CAN, that's CAN, Christian Association of Nigeria, blast President Buhari over OIC. With all the cries we have made about the unconstitutionality of Nigeria's membership of OIC, that's Organization of Islamic Countries, going for such conference was still the first assignment of President Buhari after being sworn in. Are the government officials listening to those who voted them into power at all? Is the government not heating up the polity? We wonder if the president is ready to attend a meeting of the World Council of Churches or be asking the vice president to represent him whenever the members meet. That was from Khan. The Christian Association of Nigeria has criticized President Muhammadu Buhari's trip to meeting the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, calling the move unconstitutional. The church made its position known in a statement signed by Special Assistant on Media and Communication to CAN President Samson Ayokunle on Saturday. The group said, with all the cries, as President Muhammadu Buhari begins another term, we appeal to him to have a blueprint for the security challenges facing the country. He should avoid that lopsided appointments in every facet of the government, especially the appointment chief security officers. The security councils and other agencies of the government must not be dominated by people who share the same faith and ethnicity with him. He should realize he is not a president of a section of Nigeria. He's the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And if you force other people into this union, you have to also respect their wishes. You can't enslave people. This is 21st century. There are many states in the north where churches are being denied of certificates of occupancy. This is a ploy to allow excuses to be given later for churches to be put down whenever religious fanatics are in government in those states. As we rejoice with all the northern state governors as they assume office, let them revisit this ungodly policy of discrimination against fellow Nigerians. That is from CAN, Christian Association of Nigeria. Onye ọ na-ekwu n'ebe o si mmetụ ya ọlụma anyị nwee jụọ anyị agwago na buyi obodo a onye ọ na-achọ ụzọ ya kama ya nọkọnye ọnụ na-esesa okwu onye ọ na-achọ ụzọ ya n'efo ife a na-aga. Gọvanọ Ebonyi na-ekwugoro etu PDP ha esi were Anambra mana ọha ifedo n'uche onye Igbo ọwụ na kịta ifedo anyị n'uche wee tụ anyị esi nwere onwe anyị nọọle onwe anyị chịgbu onwe anyị ọha etu ya esi wee Anambra na PDP esi bịakpala Anambra ma PDP o ma APC o ma mụwa ha kwalụ nawa nye na Biafra. Ndị be anyị ọ nwekwa na ife nnụlụ otu nwanne anyị kwulu nchọrọ ka ntụnye kene ka alụ anyị ncha ma ife na-aza Northern Nigeria malakwa na onwere ife dị iche n'ebe Northern Nigeria dị ya na Middle Belt Nigeria. N'agbanyeghị na ha abịazie a na-akpọzi Middle Belt North Central mana anyị ma ndị wu ndị anyị ma oke abịakwa na South enwekwanụ South East, South West, South South anyị ma ndị bụ ndị ibe na South East ọ ndị Igbo ka nọrịa ije na South South ka ha ehikagasị ihe nweta ma edo ha ma ndị ejo urobo na part of ụfọdụ ndị nọkwanụ na Niger Delta ha ndị Igbo hikwanụ nne na Niger Delta ka a na-akpọ South South ndị Igbo nọkwanụ na ehika mana nwere ife nna chịkọwa ndị be anyị nọ na notice nọ na afife na-eme ewu na o nwere mgbe Gowon nyanwawo chairman ndị Arewa Gowon ọwụ onye North ka ọwụ mana ife Gowon wụ onye Middle Belt mana ndị Arewa je ha mee chairman kịta anụ anyị nọ na gọvanọ ndị Plateau nyanwawo chairman Northern Governor mana Middle Belt ka ha wụ abịa n'ife ime ka ife ọnụ ka ha wee sie ike ndị North abịa konye ọnụ onye ọnụ na-azawa ma North ha na-akpọ North Central nyawo nke Middle Belt abịa zawa North ewolu ndị aha ndụ na North Central ma Middle Belt aha eme ha ndị isi and ọ na-eme North abịa si chi ike ebe eme ha ndị isi ịfụ na ndị be ha ya bịa na-akwado ife gbasara ife aha mgbe ahụ emere ha ndị isi ha nwa ya adịghị ka ndị a na-akpọ minorities ha efiluo na-anabatala ha ọfụma enwe ife niile a na-ekwu gbasara North ha kwudosie na ike ha echefuo na ha Middle Belt apụta na ebe ọnọdụ mgbakọ zonu dị iche iche ịfụ na ha nọkọnye ọnụ ndị be anyị na-akpa nkata wee sị ka ha dịkene IPOB ọdụdụ mgbe agha Ojukwu wụkwanụ President Biafra onye na-eswe onye Akwa Ibom nke onye Calabar Effiong ndị be anyị onwe ka anyị ga-esi na-eme ife a na-adụ ka ọdụdụ ka a na-adụ anyị wee nyere onwe anyị aka ndị be anyị ka anyị ghara na-anọcha n'isi ife niile ya ndị na-asụ asụsụ Igbo ka anyị wekọtakwa ndị ọzọ nso ndị anọ na-ada asụ asụsụ anyị mana kwenye n'ife anyị na-ekwu ndị South South a enwere ike onye Igbo wụlụ ife ma IPOB na ọwụ na IPOB chọrọ iyuzu ife anyị na-ekwu ọdụdụ ka anyị na-adụ ọhọ na IPOB ka anyị na-adụ anyị na-adụ Igbo ọdụ o nwere ụfọdụ ife anyị eme ka ndị a ka anyị na ha wee nọkọnye ọnụ ka ha wee kwesoro anyị n'ife anyị na-eme mma sị na ya dị mma ka anyị kpọdetewe ha nso ụzọ anyị ezikpọdotewa ha nso inye ha ike ọchịchị. Anyị mara ha pere mpe, mana ndị Igbo gbagodo na obere brek na ụnụ anyị chọrọ ha n'ezie, mana ka m gwakwa eziokwu, ama afụ na onwere ka ha esi dị mkpa nye ha ọnọdụ ọchịchị, nnukwu ọnọdụ ọchịchị. Oke, ka anyị were na anyị wụ na onye nke anyị wụ nọmba 1 man n'ife anyị na-emegasị, onye nke ha nwere ike ịwụ nọmba 2. Ọ bụrụ okwu so n'ife gbasara ife ọchịchị, ma ife gbasara anyị nwere ike ịhazi ife egwuregwu dị iche iche, mekwa ha nwa emerie na ya. O nwere ka esi akpọbata ndị mmadụ nso kedu ka egwuregwu bọọlụ eme ha nwa eso participate ya wụgodo regional ebe a na-akpọ South na South East, emekọ ife ọnụ, ha mekọọ ya ọnụ, enye ha ohere ka ha merie. Ụfọdụ oge o nwere ife eji emerie. Ọnya kpatara njiwekọrụ na akụkọ Gowon ewu Arewa chairman, Plateau kịta wụrụ chairman of Northern State Governors. Ndị be anyị ka anyị ghara na-azụ ife niile na-azọkọrọ ya. Ọnya na-eme ndị aji asị na anyị achakpụ ha anya na abịakọnye ọnụ na ụdị na-achọ ịzọ ka anyị nwere onwe anyị. Ọnya na-eme ha ji atụ egwu na anyị achakpụ ha anya. Ndị be anyị jiri na okwu a mee ife. Onye gwakwa na anyị okwu awụ elder, anyị na-respect, anyị na-anụ onye dụkwa na anyị ọdụdụ a. Anyị wee sị anyị amụghọ na ozi a ọ na-elu ndị kwesịrị ịnụ ya ntị, ka anyị jirikwa ohere a wee gbasaa ya. Daalụ nụ ndị be anyị. Onwe onye chọrọ ịtụnye ọnụ n'okwu a, tụnyekwa n'ọnụ na ya.
Thanks for listening to Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. You can also visit our Facebook page and like the page. You can join our Facebook group, Igbo Area TV. God bless you and bye for now.